Hi everyone. So today was current price index CPI news, and that's a very strong news for the United States dollars. So this pair right here is my gold and USD pair. Now looking at this chart, right? I've been looking at this chart since last week, and it has been ranging. As you can see, it has been ranging in one position, A to B, A to B, A to B, right? A to B. So personally, I was expecting the price to come down when it got to this my supply zone. And look at the candlestick that it printed. It printed a inverted hammer on my 4 hours. By the way, this 4 hours time frame. Look at this red candlestick where my cursor is. This green candlestick just before the red candlestick that's around here. This is an inverted hammer, right? And this was the next candlestick that printed. This candlestick was a news candlestick. So looking at it, the news, let me switch to my news platform. The news came out negative for the United States dollar. That's the CPI. We're expecting like 5 news that were coming out for the USD, but only 2 news came out as expected as far as our facts are here. As you all can see, the CPI of August came out worse than expected. We're expecting 3.1. We're expecting 314, and it came out 314.2, and it came out 314.1. Looking at the next inflation rate was at we're expecting 2.6, and it came out at 2.5, right? And looking at the CPI of August too, we're expecting 314.98, and it came out 314.8, which stated that the United States dollar is weak. But looking at this our currency pair of gold dollar, it rather than rising, it's actually going down. Why? Because price action is happening here. Looking at it, this market has been ranging for weeks. This is 4 hours time frame. This market has been ranging since August 24th. It has been ranging till now. It hasn't broken the major supply, which is around here. Neither has it broken the major demand, which is around here. So personally, I was expecting price to actually come down. So I sold the market even before the news came out. Just after I saw this green inverted hammer at my supply zone, so I traded with confluence. And also coming from my 1 day time frame, there was what I observed in my 1 day time frame, which is like a double top. We didn't break the last high. Looking at this chart now, right? Looking at this chart, this was last week's high. As you all can see, look at where the market closed. Now instead of making, the market was making a higher high. Let me zoom out so I'll show you guys. The market was making a higher high, right? But from this point, look at it, made a higher high, which means that this high, this high like this is higher than this high, and it's even higher than this high, our previous high, right? But then around this point, after it made this high, it didn't make another high. And as you all can see, so it's like a double top that is happening here. So I was actually anticipating switching to my 4 hours time frame and my daily time frame. And when the news came out, I saw what happened. Price action happened. I was actually expecting price to do anything because we don't control or predict, we just react, right? We're looking at 4 hours after that inverted hammer, and I switched to my 15 minutes time frame just to get that entry. So in essence, I'm trying to show you guys that the news can be manipulative sometimes. The news can come out negative, but a pair will drive positively. So what can you say about that? Price action, right? That's why price action is very, 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 very essential. Thank you. I just said let me explain a little bit of my trade today to you guys. In fact, I'm even about to sleep now. I just remembered I had to do it for you. Thank you for watching.